Tesla's Giga Press, the secret weapon for building its Cybertruck, has been revealed, and this is the most powerful Giga Press machine in the world. The new invention from the IDRA company will be able to forge the entire rear underbody frame of the truck in one piece by applying 9,000 tons of pressure. Tesla has already used this manufacturing process with the model and to great success. But the giant Cybertruck Giga casting is at an entirely new level. This is an extraordinary achievement of design and engineering. So let's take a closer new look at the machine and how Tesla will make the Cybertruck a reality with the power of the Giga Press. A Giga Press essentially works as an injection molding machine or die casting machine. Tesla's press gets its name from the system that presses aluminum alloy molten into a large mold, resulting in a metal hardening into a vehicle frame. It works the same way they make Hot Wheels cars or pretty much any other kind of toy. Also, it's some kind of plastic toy that you inject into a mold and make a creepy crawler or something, as if a rubber bug or Terminator popped out. This also applies to full-size electric car bodies. Casting and stamping are used by every automaker to make several components that are then reassembled to form a frame. Tesla, however, was the first to scale it so that the whole front and rear quarters of the frame are cast in solid aluminum pieces, since the car is made up of one big solid chunk instead of a bunch of pieces all stuck together. Building it is a lot easier. Tesla and Elon Musk have been working on this idea for years. Getting a manufacturer to build a machine on the scale of the Giga Press was the biggest challenge. Elon remembers the hunt for their eventual business partner at Giga Austin while presenting at the Cyber Rodeo. He said, "When we were trying to figure out that there were 6 major casting manufacturers in the world, we called 6. 5 said no, 1 said maybe. So with a lot of effort and great ideas from the team, we've made the world's biggest casting machine work very efficiently to create and radically simplify the manufacturing of the car." In the end, one company took the risk, and that is IDRA, an Italian manufacturer operating under LK Technology, a Hong Kong-based parent company. In an interview with the New York Times, Liu Xiangsong, founder of LK Technology, discussed his development process. Moreover, Tesla has been working with LK and IDRA for over a year now to construct the Giga Press. In Liu's remarks, he indicated that Tesla would be making revisions to its concept, which led to revisions on part of LK and IDRA as well. He said every once in a while, they would ask us whether it was possible to do this or that. With each revision they made, we needed to make changes in our machine too. It all started with LK Technology supplying toys, so this is just a very small process that's been scaled up into a large one. As of now, every Tesla factory in the world is equipped with multiple Giga Press machines, which generate 6,000 tons of pressure to cast the model's front and rear quarters, as well as the underbody. It has now been revealed that IDRA has developed the 9,000-ton Giga Press. This massive machine can be seen being assembled at the company's facility in Italy in a video released by the company. In early June, IDRA held an open house where they showed off their 9,000-ton Giga Press. Everyone wondered if this machine was also destined to be installed at the Tesla factory due to its location. Can this be the Giga Press that builds the eagerly awaited Tesla Cybertruck? Thanks to Elon Musk, we didn't have to guess for long since he responded to the speculation in a tweet by simply writing Cybertruck body in a response to the IDRA video. For a few months now, we've been expecting a more powerful Giga Press to be mounted under the rear of the Cybertruck. According to Musk, the 6,000-ton Model Y machines cannot make heavy enough casts to support a truck bed. A Cybertruck press of 8,000 tons was expected to be in production at this time last year based on hints. Nevertheless, we can confirm that the Cybertruck is increasing to 9,000 tons. We can see the production line for the Cybertruck coming together in real time with this development, which is the most exciting part. Furthermore, this epic Giga Press is one of the most intricate and innovative manufacturing processes ever. Meanwhile, it is said that Cybertrucks are made up of simple designs, which are probably their most appealing feature. There are no curves in the outer shell, just sharp angles from a big roll of stainless steel. So a really quick and repeatable process should be used to manufacture those exoskeletons. Similar to the frame casing, They are taking something that would normally consist of many components all stuck together and are making it out of one solid piece of material. Then, a structural battery pack will be used in the Cybertruck that is similar to the one used in the Model Y vehicle at Giga, Texas. To meet the need for energy in the much larger and more powerful truck, it was also scaled up. Cybertruck frame's front section will likely also be a cast section quite similar to that of the model, and it could possibly be done with the same Giga Press. Also, Cybertrucks have just taken some additional engineering in the rear, which makes perfect sense. A pickup truck's back half differs a great deal from an SUV's. Without a roof overhead, the truck frame will have to keep its strength and rigidity while stretching farther. Further, the frame must be able to support whatever the user chooses to throw in the back of their truck or tow behind them. Meanwhile, it is said that the Cybertruck won't be purchased because it looks pretty. At Tesla, this is being pitched as a rugged workhorse utility vehicle, which means it needs to be sturdy enough to withstand extreme conditions. To meet Tesla's promise to mass-produce this electric car at a reasonable price, innovative technologies like the new Giga Press are so crucial. Since its debut in 2019, the Cybertruck has undergone a lot of design iterations. Throughout the past year, Tesla's website has completely disappeared with all the specifications, option packages, and pricing. In an unofficial tweet from Elon Musk, he explains the changes the company is making. Based on the tweet, rear-wheel steering has been added to the spec sheet, probably to compete with the GM electric Hummer. 4 motors have been added to the already 3, perhaps in response to the Rivian R1T. Also, it is reported that Cybertruck will implement a new version 4 self-driving hardware package that includes upgraded cameras and computers. Elon Musk has stated Tesla is throwing everything at this vehicle so it will be full of the latest technology. And this all comes in a vehicle that was supposed to sell for $69,000 when it was first announced. Further, Giga Berlin has showed the video showing the Giga Press casting process, which is an automated function where the press opens up to reveal a section of the press completely formed. After that, a giant robot arm simply picks it up and hands it off to the next step in the process. Also, Giga Berlin showed an excellent video of the process of painting a car, which includes the entire body being carried along a line where it's dipped and dried, and drenched and dried, then sprayed, and finally sanded and buffed. In other areas like battery packs and cells, there are some possibilities for cost savings. Furthermore, the design and manufacturing of the 4680 are theoretically cheaper than their current nickel-based operation in the long run. Regardless of what the Cybertruck ultimately turns out to be, at least we know that now the production timeline is indeed in line with the projections we are receiving. Elon Musk and Tesla are predicting Cybertruck deliveries will begin in 2023, so IDRA will need some time to build this 9,000-ton press, test it, dismantle it, and ship it to Texas and rebuild it. So let's say it'll be a few months before that is in operation. And then, as long as the world doesn't get any worse, it should be relatively easy to put together the rest of the truck. When society collapses around us, buying a new pickup truck will be the least of our worries. Therefore, as long as this does not happen, there is no real reason why the Cybertruck will not come out next year. So, are you excited to see your dream Tesla cars mass-produced by Tesla's new Giga Press? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Also, thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates on Elon Musk and his companies, make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.